Welcome back to Yacht Addiction. The yacht in front of us is a Princess Y78. This is a great Princess Flybridge yacht that in the hands of an experienced boater could be owner operated. Let's go ahead and get started with this tour. So right in the back you have a large hydraulic swim platform where you house your jet ski or tender. And then there's also a little bench seating area right on the transom door. In here you have some storage for fenders or whatever else you need to store in here. And on the opposite side you have a door to the crew cabin. We'll check that out later on in the tour. So we'll step up into the cockpit where you're greeted by a large staircase up to the flybridge. We also have this lovely seating area with an expandable table. You have a large Rockford Fosgate speaker. And then you have some trash storage and a drawer refrigerator. On each side of the cockpit you have these storage compartments, and they're great for excess line storage. If you're going to winch yourself back into a berth, you can put the extra lines through this cutout here, and then nothing is lying on the deck. You have the same on the opposite side, and you also have side access doors on either side. Let's make our way into the main salon. You have this huge glass doorway. We're going to close the door behind us. But look at this magnificent main salon. This TV rises up from the port side. You have a small sofa in front of it, and then a much larger sofa opposite of that. All the materials in here feel extremely high-end. If we take a few steps forward, before we get to the formal dining area, I wanted to point out all of this really nice glassware. They all have their custom drawers, and these are soft close drawers. Now in this example they have a glass table. Of course you can switch that out for something else if you prefer, but you do have seating for all 8. Then opposite of that is the galley. Like I said, this is right on the edge of being able to owner operate, so I think for the most part it makes sense that the galley is out in the open. You have a large refrigerator and some freezer drawers. You have a wine fridge, Miele appliances, a built-in dishwasher. You have your double sink. Then I also noticed a little edge on the bar countertop here. This is great so nothing will slide off the edge in this direction. Now looking forward you can see the twin helm seats. And I believe there's a built-in shade right here. So if you do want to block off the main salon from the helm, you can do so. You take a couple of steps up and you have these twin Garmin multifunction displays. Your compass is forward. You have your stabilization system controls, your autopilot, balance stern thrusters, Princess logo in the steering wheel, your throttle control, and the trim tab control. You also have a side access door and a couple of beautiful helm seats. Now you'll see there's a couple different sets of staircases. These lead to the different cabin areas. And I will point out you have a small L-shaped seating area right up here in case anyone wants to join you up at the helm. So I think we'll start with the guest cabins. So moving all the way forward, you have your VIP cabin. You have a closet over here and a little dressing table. There's a TV mounted on the wall. And then of course, your VIP cabin has its own ensuite. There are 2 more cabins in this guest area, or 4 cabins total. Now here's the 3rd cabin. You have a good sized double bed, as well as a TV and closet. And the ensuite door is actually behind this door. And it shares duties as the day head. The 4th cabin is over here with its 2 double beds, and then it still has its own ensuite. And then also take note, this is for the central vacuuming system. You can plug a hose in right here and vacuum all of the areas down here without having to lug a full-size vacuum all throughout the yacht. So if we go up a couple of stairs and then down a few stairs, we will spiral around into the master cabin. You have a little settee over there and a large TV mounted on the wall. Of course, this is the full beam of the boat. Look at this huge window. You have a dressing table. Then you have a couple of closets. And this one has some built-in drawers as well. And here's the ensuite. Beautiful materials, both on the countertops and floor. Twin sinks, and a rainfall shower. There's not a lot to hate about this yacht. Separate washer and dryer. And you see another port for the vacuum system I was talking about. We'll casually stroll through this beautiful main salon again and head outside into the heat. Now the flybridge is currently being detailed, so I think we'll just instantly check out the engine room. So we actually didn't have to go through this cockpit hatch because the engine room is connected to the crew quarters. So let's quickly take a look. You have twin beds in here. There are some decent windows out the back and on the side. And here's the ensuite. Let's see what's in here. Looks like some storage. I won't open all of these up. And there is a microwave down here. So back into the engine room. You can see that this yacht has a water maker. And then here are the dual Cummins marine generators. We found the light switch. So this yacht comes with a pair of MAN V12 engines. They're 1,800 horsepower each. Your top speed is about 34 to 36 knots, very fast. Your cruising speed is in the high 20s, and you get about 350 nautical miles of range. Or if you drop down to lower speeds, you'll get about 1,000 miles of range. Since we came down this way, I think we'll just head back up through the cockpit hatch. So now we're going to head up to the bow. You have a large sun pad up here, some pop-up lights, and then another seating area and a little table. All right, so the flybridge is actually currently being worked on, so I can't get up there right now during this tour. I'm gonna try to come back to this boat later on in the show. So if you wanna see the flybridge, just sit tight, I'll show it to you in a second. But if you don't wanna see it, or if you've heard enough of me ramble, thank you so much for watching the tour, and thank you to Princess Yachts America for setting up the tour. Make sure you like this video if you enjoy these yacht tours, and leave a comment down below and tell me what your favorite part of this Princess yacht was. Now without further ado, here is the bonus footage of the flybridge. I know I promised you guys some bonus footage of the flybridge, so I came back the next day. You can see you have the bar area up here with your drawer fridge, sink, ice maker, trash, and I really like the gray paint that Princess uses on some of these models. You have a huge sun pad back here, wraparound seating around this table, and then seating on either side of the helm. This panel will rise up to display your glass cockpit. Then you have all the same set of controls that you have down at the lower helm. This one has a hardtop overhead, but there is a sunshade that extends over the back of it as well. If you stuck around for the flybridge footage, thank you again. We'll catch you next time.